Woo, y'all. A drink travel review is at the red carpet. Yes, in Rome. About to have something creative to drink. Let me show you interior. Yeah, red carpet in Rome, y'all. About to have a little drink. Hey, y'all. We at the red carpet bar. Oh, y'all, here in Rome. We're walking the streets of Rome.
Yes,
Hey. Wow, so yummy. They have here at the red carpet some type of mint mojito. Yeah. I mean, you just, I thought it was, well, educate me. It's delicious. It's got a sweet taste, and you can taste the liquor. Yummy, delicious here in Rome at the red carpet.